Okay, welcome everyone. So now we are going to look at some of the most sexy topics. And now, first point is testosterone secreted by Leydig cells, and these cells are important in secretion of testosterone. When there is tumor of Leydig cells, more testosterone is produced, and that person will become superhuman or superman. Just kidding. Renki crystals will be produced when Leydig cell tumor will be there, and serotonin has function in spermatogenesis maintenance, and blood testis barrier are there, act as blood testis barrier in serotonin cells. Spermiogenesis is also function of these cells, aids in spermiogenesis, and more sperms are produced with the help of serotonin cells. Inhibition of FSH in males occurs with inhibin, and it inhibits FSH production. Causes of azoospermia means total absence of sperm in semen in a tall man with a normal seminal fluid is because of serotonin cells defect, and spermiogenesis does not happen. So we can say that spermiogenesis is the function of serotonin cells, and because of any FSH deficiency or serotonin cell deficiency, there will be azoospermia, and that person will be unable to conceive child or baby, or in cannot reproduce the baby. Breast development and vaginal spotting in a 6-year-old girl at a very young age because of serotonin Leydig cell tumor. Ovarian mass, no hair development, breast development will be there. Azoospermia and infertility in young male results into serotonin cells defect, and it can also create some of the problems like this. So these are some of the topics that are important in order to memorize serotonin cell functions. And serotonin, as I mentioned, S for serotonin, S for spermiogenesis. Leydig cell acts on testosterone, produce testosterone because of LH hormone action on them, and in this way you can memorize these concepts and